What is AI-powered threat detection? A system that uses artificial intelligence to identify and respond to potential security threats. What is a key benefit of AI-powered threat detection? B. Decreased response time to threats. How does AI-powered threat detection differ from traditional methods? B. It can analyze large amounts of data quickly and accurately. Which technology is often used in AI-powered threat detection? B. Machine learning. What is the role of AI in threat detection? B. To automate the process of threat detection. Why is AI-powered threat detection becoming more popular? C. Because of its ability to detect threats more effectively. What is one challenge of implementing AI-powered threat detection? A. Lack of skilled personnel to manage the system. How does AI-powered threat detection help improve security posture? B. By identifying and responding to threats in real time. What is one potential risk of relying solely on AI-powered threat detection? B. Over-reliance on technology leading to missed threats. In what ways can AI-powered threat detection be enhanced for better results? B. By incorporating human expertise with AI algorithms. What is the basic principle of quantum cryptography? A. Using quantum mechanics to encrypt data. What is the key advantage of quantum key distribution in cryptography? B. Security. What is the term used for the phenomenon in quantum mechanics where observing a particle changes its state? A. Quantum interference. What is the main purpose of quantum encryption? A. To make encryption unbreakable. Which of the following is a key feature of quantum key distribution? A. Perfect secrecy. What is the term for the process of using quantum mechanics to create secure communication channels? B. Quantum channeling. What is the term for the property in quantum mechanics where particles become interconnected? B. Quantum entanglement. Which encryption method is vulnerable to attacks by quantum computers? B. Asymmetric key encryption. What is the term for the process of verifying the identity of a communicating party in quantum cryptography? B. Authentication. What is the key objective of quantum cryptography? C. Achieve provable security.